Are you still struggling to automate the production of roller brush frames? Now, meet the TATE Automatic Roller Brush Frame CNC Bending and Assembly Machine, a fully automated solution that brings intelligence, precision, and efficiency to your factory floor. This powerful system completes the entire process automatically, from wire straightening, feeding, flattening, side bending, to automatic plastic handle feeding, assembling, and final discharging. No manual operation is needed throughout the entire production cycle. With TATE's intelligent control system, every movement is precisely coordinated, ensuring stable performance, smooth operation, and consistent product quality. It adapts easily to different sizes and materials of roller brush frames, meeting the needs of diverse manufacturers across Asia, Europe, and Latin America. Engineered for high efficiency and energy saving, the TATE machine helps you dramatically reduce labor costs while boosting productivity. Its user-friendly design ensures both operators' safety and long-term reliability, making it the perfect upgrade for modern roller brush production lines. Don't let outdated methods slow you down. Step into the future of automation with TATE, your trusted partner for smart, efficient, and reliable manufacturing. Contact us now through the information shown in this video, and let TATE help you build a smarter, faster, and more profitable future.